A bright yellow sun shines in the blue sky. Two fluffy clouds float high above the trees. 3 green apples sit on a wooden table. 4 shiny stars twinkle in the evening light. 5 colorful balloons drift with the gentle breeze. 6 playful puppies chase a bouncing ball. 7 vibrant flowers bloom in a sunny garden. 8 friendly butterflies flutter near the flowers. 9 shiny coins lie in a neat row. 10 beautiful books are stacked on the shelf. 11 bright crayons color a blank page. 12 lovely birds sing sweet songs in the trees. 13 round cookies are on a big plate. 14 happy faces smile at the camera. 15 sparkling jewels shine in the sunlight. 16 little fish swim in the clear pond. 17 cozy chairs line up in the cafe. 18 soft pillows are on the couch. 19 sparkling gems fill the treasure chest. 20 colorful eggs are hidden in the grass. 21 cheerful kids play in the park. 22 bright kites soar high in the sky. 23 friendly squirrels scamper up the trees. 24 shiny marbles roll on the ground. 25 magical stars glow in the night sky. 26 colorful scarves hang on the rack. 27 lovely pictures decorate the wall. 28 friendly rabbits hop around the garden. 29 happy kids are singing a song. 30 delicious cupcakes are on the table. 31 colorful beads are strung on a necklace. 32 bright fish swim in a big tank. 33 fluffy bunnies sit in a row. 34 beautiful hats are on display. 35 shiny apples are in the basket. 36 bright flowers are in the vase. 37 friendly cats nap in the sun. 38 colorful butterflies land on the flowers. 39 cheerful kids laugh and play together. 40 soft teddy bears are lined up on the shelf. In a quaint town, we find Star Street. It is filled with colorful houses and bright flowers. The street leads to a sparkling park. Tall trees offer shade and comfort. A cozy cafe sits at the corner. Children play and laugh in the park. Bright flags decorate the paths. Everyone loves Star Street so much. Today feels special and bright. A fun adventure awaits everyone. Meet Pinky Pickles, our cheerful friend. She wears a bright pink dress with polka dots. Pinky has a friendly helper named Benny. Benny is a fluffy bunny with soft fur. Together they love exploring and having fun. Pinky and Benny spot shiny stars today. They want to skip count by tens. Each star shines bright, like a treasure. Counting by tens will be a fun game. They hop with joy at their new goal. Pinky and Benny leap down the path. They see 10 twinkling stars in the air. Each star winks as they pass by. Let's skip count to 100. Pinky shouts. Benny hops happily, ready to help. They find a bright sign with stars. The stars shine brightly, guiding their way. Pinky counts, 10, 20, 30. Benny joins in, cheerfully hopping along. Their laughter fills the air like music. Count along the path to find more stars. Count the stars, glowing in the evening sky. Pinky counts, and Benny helps too. 40, 50, 60. They cheer with glee. 70 stars twinkle like diamonds above. 80, 90, and then 100. They giggle, feeling proud of their counting. Wow, look at all these stars! Benny exclaims. They share their excitement, hopping together. What a fun way to count! Pinky raises her hand, saying, "Please wait." Benny smiles and stops with her. "Thank you for waiting, Pinky," he says. They look both ways across the path. Pinky holds Benny's paw as they cross. "Let's share a counting adventure," she says. They help each other find the next stars. "Kindness makes our fun even better," Benny agrees. Pinky says thank you to a passing friend. They practice their manners as they play. Suddenly, they discover a hidden treasure. A friendly bird chirps a sweet song. It guides them to a sparkling surprise. Together, they find magical star stickers. Pinky and Benny cheer, excited and joyful. They share stickers with their friends nearby. "Teamwork makes us all happy," they say. Everyone giggles and enjoys the colors. What a wonderful day on Star Street. They appreciate all the fun they had. Pinky counts the stars they counted today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They skip count by tens, 10, 20, 30. Pinky smiles with joy at her friends. Benny hugs her tightly, feeling happy. At last, they sit by the beautiful pond. The sunset casts a golden glow everywhere. They feel cozy, with stars shining above. Today was filled with laughter and fun. Pinky whispers, "Let's do this again soon."